Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix Valorant voice chat not working. Let's begin. First, I want you to double check your computer sound settings. Click on your Windows Start menu, type in sound or system. We just need to access your computer sound settings. Click on sound over here, and I want you to double check the output and the input device that it is currently what you're using. So you can click on the drop down, double check everything over here, input device. And this is how you can actually test if your microphone is working. So it will show in here that it's actually moving to the right part. So that's good to go. Once done, you can now close this window, open and play Valorant. All right, we need to access the game settings. You can click on the escape button on your keyboard or click this icon right over here. Choose settings and the sounds, make sure everything is enabled and to the right side. And the voice chat over here, the same. Select the appropriate output device. You can click the drop down, select your headset, and then select your microphone. And this, the mic volume, very important. And then party voice chat. Turn on the party voice activation mode. Sometimes we actually forgot that it's on push to talk. So check this always. And lastly, team voice chat. Turn this on. So basically, we just need to turn on everything in here. Once done, you can now go back and play Valorant. Everything should now be working smoothly. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.